But Radhika, come in and on Reliance, and the reason I bring up that stock again is because Ashu made this point a little while back that if the market were to move, support from Reliance and ONGC would be very critical. Every house on the street, brokerage is bullish on Reliance. They're saying buy, between 1,000 to 1,020.
Right.
It's not moving.
Well, we sort of have a flat opinion on Reliance. I think we're bullish on the energy sector as a whole post-budget. I think that sector has a way to go, but Reliance as a whole, we're sort of flat on. Stock hasn't seen much momentum. I don't think it's particularly undervalued.
So what are you bullish on in the energy space?
We like ONGC a little bit more in the energy space. I think you alluded to that a little bit. ONGC is one we like in the energy space, but Reliance we're sort of flat
What
on.
about Cairn? Because we've spoken about that.
Sort of flat on Cairn too.
Okay.
There's not very much movement in that space,
Right, Hemant, on my own I use a terminology for stocks that are not going to do much or they're going to go short, and so if they're not going to do much I call them nausea stocks. They either throw up, not feel well, and then some do. So let me ask you these, are banks nausea stocks? I mean, we get $3 up one day, $3 down the other day. You've got this interest rate overhang. I don't know if it will do anything really to the banks, maybe just disturb investors that they shouldn't be in. But is banks a place to be in for day trading or maybe just taking a position till the settlement?
See, Ashu, in fact, I will put it in your terms. I think Nifty top 10 counters are getting to that what you call as nausea counters. They are not at all seeing any activity right now. So why to criticize only banking stocks as a lot? But as I just suggested before, also banking, you have to be stock specific. There are stocks which are doing extraordinary. As a whole bunch, banking is really suffering. So nothing which will happen. But a stock like Allahabad Bank is an exceptional in a lot of them. A stock like a Bank of Baroda is an exceptional. So there are few banks where you can take a positional call from here on till the next 5-6 sessions for a good money to be made. In fact, on on Thursday, if you check out, Yes Bank also started showing some momentum. So there are smaller banks which are trying to do something on a higher side where you can go long. Otherwise, the heavy weights are really suffering and nothing much will happen on that end.
Of course, Yes Bank in the session, like Hemant pointed out, down about 1.5%. Radhika, would come to you with the other stock recommendation that you have, and that's in Sesa. Technically, also a lot of guys are very bullish on this. NMDC, the FPO went through finally, thanks to LIC. But the iron ore business, you're hot on it?
We are hot on Sesa. I think it is, as you said, benefiting from sort of the dynamics of the sector. The stock saw a good 50% increase in earnings, and a lot of that was because they could hike prices by about 10-20%. With global inflation being a concern, with commodity prices rising globally, I think Sesa is in good shape. The other reason we like the stock is that on the costing side, they've managed to cut costs down by a good 20-25%. They picked up the Dempo mines recently, which was a good sign, and management is looking at another acquisition globally of a couple of mines. So that should help them on the costing side. So they're in a good position to benefit from the commodities, hike.
Right. I should have taken this stock before the market opened, but it was a low cap stock, Tanveer, and I didn't talk about it, and I'm looking at it again today. It's 10% up. Expo Gas Containers, when you drive down the trains, you see on the side these big HPCL, containers holding HPCL petrol or BPCL petrol. That's what these guys make. Similar to perhaps a Nitin Fire or Everest Canto. Yesterday it was up 15-16%, 10% today. And 30% return in 2 days. I mean, if I can get it, who wants to go to a bank and get 6% to the entire year? But as I said,